What's going on, guys? Today is the day after Valentine's Day, February 15th, and I am down here in Bethlehem servicing the Bobcat with grease and fresh off-road diesel fuel. This weekend we have the potential for some snow. 60 degrees today, 60 degrees tomorrow, 60 degrees next week, but Saturday into Sunday hopefully we can get a couple inches of snow, which is perfect since everyone's closed, and Sunday it'll be 40 degrees and sunny. It's pretty much the snowplower's favorite type of snowstorm. So down here, just greased up the Bobcat, and I will show you what I use. So many amateurs out there using old grease guns, and I use this baby, DeWalt 18-volt cordless grease gun. Topped off the ATV with some gas and getting this thing ready to go. This machine in April will be 4 years old since I've owned it, and I bought it with 29 hours on it. I think there's 600 some on it now. So we're going to hook up the Quattro Plow. We always have a lot of problems hooking up the Quattro Plow. The couplers just don't go on there, and I know a lot of guys have trouble hooking up hydraulic couplers. With the temperature change, the hydraulic oil expands and builds pressure, so we're going to fight to get that on so that my operator can come Saturday night hopefully and just go. Here's my four-wheeler we use for the sidewalks. I bought one of the good Cabela's covers. We're going to put that on as soon as we leave here. And this pallet of salt's about empty, but I have several more at my other location. So what I'll do is, I think I'll set you up right here on the four-wheeler, and you can watch me try to hook this thing up. How's that? Can you see me? All right, here we go. Let's do this. I just hit the pressure release button on the skid steer, but this thing just doesn't hook up no matter what we do. It's because it's warm, I know that, but I'm gonna have to heat this up. We always heat these, and it helps them go on. And it's not frozen. It's 55 degrees right now, and it's been 50 degrees yesterday. But this is the rigmarole we got to go through every time to try to get these stupid couplers to go on here. And I don't know if this is enough to do it. I might have to crack these lines to let hydraulic pressure off. Thing won't even go on. Not even close to going on. I'm gonna have to get some wrenches out and take hydraulic pressure off, because these things, they're not even moving, which it's a constant problem with this stupid thing. All right, I'll be back.